Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The iTech Creator. Today in this video we will discuss about benefits of SSD installation in old laptop and desktop. Installing an SSD in a laptop or desktop can offer several benefits, including improved speed and performance. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, which translates to faster boot times, quicker application launches, and overall snappier performance. Tasks such as file transfers, opening programs, and accessing data will be noticeably faster, making your laptop feel more responsive. Enhanced battery life. SSDs consume less power than HDDs, resulting in improved battery life for laptops. With an SSD, your laptop can operate more efficiently, allowing you to use it for longer periods without needing to recharge. Durability and reliability. SSDs have no moving parts, making them more resistant to shock, vibration, and physical impact. This makes them ideal for laptops since they can withstand the rigors of being carried around and used in various environments. Additionally, SSDs are less prone to failure and data loss caused by mechanical issues, providing increased reliability. Quieter operation. SSDs operate silently because they lack the spinning platters and moving heads found in HDDs. This means your laptop will run quietly without the noise of the hard drive. If you have old laptop, you can upgrade by watching this video. Thank you for watching.